Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing about the lesson direct and inverse variations and the worksheet 3. So coming to the 7th question, a train 150 meter long is running at 72 km per hour. It crosses a bridge in 13 seconds. Find the length of the bridge. See, the question is little bit confusing, not like the earlier sums or the example. So, a train, what is the length? The length of the train. Length of the train is equal to 150 meter. It is running at a speed of 72 km per hour and it crosses a bridge in 30 seconds. This is in kilometer per hour, this is in seconds, and they have asked the length of the bridge, which we don't know. So, length of the bridge you don't know. So, keep it as x meter. Therefore, distance covered in the earlier sums like example 10. Remember, the train is crossing a bridge, the platform or the tunnel or the bridge. So, in that case, we have to add the length of the train and the length of the bridge. So, distance covered will be 150 plus x meter. Yaad aaya? So, distance covered, if there is a train, moving train is crossing a bridge, so you have to add both the lengths. Now, they have told time is equal to 13 seconds. Okay. Now, speed they have given in a speed of the train is 72 km per hour. So, this is meter, this is second, but the speed is in kilometer per hour. So, first convert this into meter per second. कैसे करने का है याद है? 72 into 1000 upon kilometer to meter into 1000 upon 3600. 2020 cut, 36 ones are 36 twos are. So you get 2 tens are 20 meter per second. So you got speed is equal to 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. अभी आप लोगों को डिस्टेंस है, टाइम है, स्पीड है, लेकिन डिस्टेंस में x है, तो x का वैल्यू निकालने का है हमें. तो इसके लिए आप लोग फॉर्मूला यूज करो. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू, रिमेंबर, स्पीड इनटू टाइम, है ना. डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. सो डिस्टेंस कितना है? 150 प्लस एक्स. स्पीड कितना है? 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. टाइम कितना है? 30 सेकेंड्स. हम 72 नहीं डाल सकते हैं क्योंकि 72 इज किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये मीटर में है, ये सेकंड में है, इसके लिए उसको मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करो, फिर इसमें डालो. अभी आपको ये मल्टीप्लाई करने का 150 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 13 2s are 26 and 0. So x is equal to 260, 150. When you take it that side, it will be minus 150. So x is equal to 0 minus 0 0, 6 minus 5 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So you got x. What is x? The length of the bridge. So answer, the length of the bridge is 110 meter. Hope you understood. So the question is, the train 150 meter long is running at 72 kilometer per hour. It crosses a bridge in 13 seconds. Find the length of the bridge. So according to the second, that is the example 10. So the length of the train is given 150. It is crossing a bridge which the length is not given. So that is why we will write the length of the bridge is equal to x meter. Therefore, the distance covered is equal to the length of the train plus the length of the bridge. That is why 150 plus x. And time they have given 13 seconds. But the speed is given in kilometer per hour. Convert into meter per second. And then put the formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. And find the value of x. That is the length of the bridge. So that was question number 7. Now coming to the question number 8. How long will a train 120 meter long take to clear a platform 130 meter long if its speed is 50 kilometer per hour? So it is a which type of sum? The length of the train, length of the train is equal to 120 meter. How much time it will take to clear a platform? Means it will to cross the platform. So length of the platform, how much it is given? 130 meter. So distance covered, already we have told we have to add these two. 120 plus 130, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 1 2. So you got the distance covered is 250 meter. Now they have given the speed is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour. Convert into what? Meter per second, isn't it? So that is 50 into 1000 upon 3600. Remember why? Kilometer to meter 1000 and hour to second 3600. 2 zeros cut. Now 36 and 50. So you can write 2 18s are 2 25s are 50. Now 2 9s are 2 5s are 10. So 25 5s are 125 upon 9. Calculation you have to be careful. 25 5s are 125. In the denominator 9 मीटर पर सेकेंड. देखो ये सब डेसिमल में एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं आता है, इसके लिए उसको ऐसे ही रखो. नाउ इन दिस टाइप ऑफ सम्स मीटर पर सेकेंड, इन 1 second it will cover 125 by 9 meter. And now the distance covered is 250. 250 के लिए what is the time? Understood? 1 सेकेंड में 125/9 मीटर कवर करता है, तो 250 मीटर के लिए कितना टाइम? Which type of variation I have told? It is a case of distance and time. Always it is a case of direct variation. What is the formula? X by y is equal to k. Now x is 125/9 by 1 is equal to 250 upon y. Now when you cross multiply, it is 125/9 into y is equal to 1 into 250. 125/9 into y is equal to 1 into 250. So y is equal to 1 into 250. So 125/9, when you take it to the right hand side, 9 will go to the numerator, 125 will be in the denominator. Directly 125 ones are 125, twos are 250. Otherwise 5 25s are 5, 5s are 25, 0, 25 ones are 25, twos are 9, twos are 18. Is it okay? So answer: how long will the train take to clear the platform? So the train takes 18 what? 18 seconds to clear the platform. Is it okay? So it's a mixture, isn't it? Worksheet 3, you have got all type of sums. Now coming to the 9th sum. A train 210 meter long took 12 seconds to pass a 90 meter long tunnel. Find the speed of the train. तो speed पूछे हैं तो you have to use the formula. So the length of the train, length of the train is equal to कितना दिए हैं? 210 meter. Now length of the tunnel, length of the tunnel is equal to 90 meter. In example 10, we have understood distance covered is equal to, when the moving object is crossing any other stationary object with some length, then you have to add. So 210 plus 90, that is 300 meter. So you got the distance covered. Now it takes 12 seconds. So time taken is 12 seconds. Now find the speed of the train. So speed is equal to, formula क्या है? Distance upon time. Meter second, correct है. So 300 upon 12. So it is 12. 12 ones are 12, twos are 24, 6 remains, 12 fives are 60. So you got 25 meter per second. You got the answer, 25 meter per second. But इधर बोले नहीं आपको the speed has to be written in kilometer per hour, but usually speed of the train is told in kilometer per hour. So convert this. So कैसे convert करने का already मैं आपको समझाई थी. So 25 into मीटर पर सेकेंड को किलोमीटर पर आवर में रिवर्स है ना. सो न्यूमरेटर में आएगा 3600 और डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा 1000. सो 2020 कट. नाउ 5 2s 5 5s 2 1s 2 18s. So that is 18 5s. It is 90 kilometer per hour. Okay. So the answer, speed of the train is 90 kilometer per hour. Hope everyone understood. Now coming to the last sum, that is question number 10. A train 270 meter long is running at 80 kilometer per hour. How much time will it take to cross the platform of a 130 meter long? So this is example 10, isn't it? So first, length of the train. Length of the train. How much is it? 270 meter. Now the length of the platform. Length of the platform is equal to, it is 130 meter. Therefore distance covered, प्लेटफॉर्म को क्रॉस करता है तो दोनों को ऐड करने का. 270 प्लस 130 is equal to 0. 7 plus 3 10. 1 plus 2 3 plus 1 400 meter. Now the speed they have told how much? 80 kilometer per hour. So convert 80 into किलोमीटर है तो मीटर में into 1000, hour to second 3600, 2020 cut. Now it is 4 9s are 36, 4 2s are 8 and 0. Now no cancellation. 20 10s are 200 upon 9 meter per second. So we have converted kilometer per hour to meter per second. Now we have to write the table, that is distance in meter and time in seconds. So here distance in 1 second, it will cover 200 by 9 meter, and for 400 meter, how much time it will take, isn't it? Hope everyone understood this. So it will be the column So it will be in 1 hour, 1 second, it is covering 200 by 9 meter. For 400 meter, how much time it will take? So which type of variation is it? As you know, it is a case of direct variation. always remember this type of the train sums. It is crossing a tunnel, crossing a man, then it is a direct variation. What is the formula? X by y is equal to k. So what is x here? 200 by 9 upon y is 1, and here it is 400 upon y. Now when you cross multiply, it is 200 upon 9 into y is equal to 1 into 400. Now when you find out y, 1 into 400, this 9 goes to the numerator, 200 comes to the denominator. Now it is 2 0, 2 0 cut, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 9 2s are 18. So you got answer. The train takes 18 what? The seconds. 18 seconds to cross the platform. Isn't it? So we have completed the worksheet 3. It was a mixture of the worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 and extra sums. The train sums, isn't it? Train is crossing a pole, a man on the platform, or it is crossing a bridge or a platform or a tunnel, and few sums were there to find out the speed, where you had to put the you have to use the formula directly. Hope you have understood this full worksheet 3. Bye. Thank you for watching the video. All the best.